Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you fix Facebook watch video icon tap missing. So at first open Facebook. So look here, this account watch video option missing. So click on setting icon, scroll down, click on to tab bar, and then look here, video option hidden, click on to unhide. Okay, now check the second option. Go to phone settings, app management, click on to app list, find Facebook, storage. First of all, clear cache and manage space, click on, and then trying to open Facebook, then showing this option. So I hope you can follow my two method, then we can solve this problem. So that's it, that's how you can do it.